might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heart.
I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a Sicilian chicken soup. And this soup is basically just a dump and go soup. And I don't have some of the ingredients, but you can make this soup the way you want to. I don't have the bay leaves, so I'm not going to be using that. And also, I'm going to be using chicken breast instead of chicken thighs. But you also can even use canned chicken in this recipe. But I'm using chicken breast today. And so I hope everybody is having a great day today. It's cold here in Georgia today and cloudy. And so far the ice and the snow has missed us. It's went up north a little bit further than we are. So let me get started on this good soup that I think we're really going to enjoy today. And but first of all, let me tell you what the ingredients are. I'm going to be putting chicken broth in it, bell pepper, onion, carrots, celery, potatoes, a can of tomatoes, garlic, kosher salt and black pepper, and fresh parsley. I believe I forgot to say the pasta, and it's the ditalini pasta. And it's a half a cup of that. I'll be putting that in after my soup cooks for about 30 minutes. So let me get over here and get started. All right, I already have 3 chicken breasts in my pot. And so now I'm going to add all of my vegetables. I'm adding in my celery, my bell pepper, my carrots, my onion. This is a very colorful soup. My potatoes. I'm going to add my salt and black pepper. And that was kosher salt I added. Okay, then I'm going to add in my garlic. And this recipe will be in the description below. Okay. Now then I'm going to add in my tomatoes. And my chicken broth. I'm going to give this a stir. Okay, I'm going to be adding some water. Okay, so I'm going to let this come up to a boil. I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes, and then at the last part of the cooking time, I will add in my pasta. My soup has came to a boil now, so I'm going to turn my eye down and I'll cook it on low for about 30 minutes with my lid partially on. Okay, my soup has been cooking for 30 minutes now. So I'm going to get my chicken out and shred it. Okay. And I'm going to put my half cup of, let's see how you say this now, ditalini pasta in my pot and let this cook for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to add my chicken back to the pot. Okay, now I'm going to add my chicken back to my pot. This smells good, doesn't it, Calvin?
Yes, it does. It smells real good, Marie.
Just look at that. I turned my pot up to bring it back up to a boil, and so when it finishes cooking, I'll be back. Okay, my soup is done now, so I turned my eye off and I add my parsley to it. And I also added just a little bit more garlic and salt and pepper to mine. This recipe tells you how much to put in it, but I wanted to add just a little bit more to suit me. So y'all can add whatever y'all want. You could go by the recipe, or you can add a little bit more spices to it, as I did. Okay, so let me plate a supper plate. This smells good, doesn't it, Calvin?
It really does, Marie. I can't wait to try some of that.
This is going to make a good dinner meal. Okay, now it's time to do the taste test. But if I taste this right now, I'll have a burnt tongue. So I'm going to let this cool off a little bit and I'll come right back. Okay, now it's time for me to do the taste test. This is really delicious. I know Calvin's going to enjoy this for dinner tonight. So this is going to be a really good soup to have on this cold day here in Georgia. And so it tastes really amazing. This will be another one of my soups that I'll really keep in my recipe file, and I'll really be making this a lot. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Start pulling like the tide, and the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. always have kept my feelings grounded and gone without all kept within. By these high walls I've been surrounded,